Here's a 3-minute YouTube video script based on keeping your arteries healthy. You in a bright, clean kitchen or walking outside? Want to keep your arteries clean and your heart healthy? Let's talk about simple things you can start doing today to help keep your arteries open and flowing. You holding a plate of colorful fruits and veggies? First up, what you eat matters. Fill your plate with fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, lentils, fruits, and veggies. These help reduce cholesterol buildup in your arteries. Pouring olive oil on a salad, slicing avocado. Swap out unhealthy fats for good ones. Think olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. These healthy fats can reduce plaque formation. You holding up packaged snacks, then shaking your head. Now, ditch the processed foods loaded with trans fats, salt, and added sugars. These are major culprits in clogging arteries. You walking briskly or doing jumping jacks? Number 2, move your body. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise, walking, biking, swimming, 5 days a week can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. You pretending to check your blood pressure or cholesterol? Don't forget to keep tabs on your blood pressure and cholesterol. High numbers silently damage your arteries over time. You tossing a pack of cigarettes in the trash? Number 3, if you smoke, it's time to quit. Smoking damages artery walls and speeds up plaque buildup. Your heart will thank you, fast. You sitting calmly sipping tea? Fourth, de-stress. Chronic stress can spike blood pressure. Try deep breathing, yoga, or even a simple walk outside. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water helps keep your blood flowing smoothly. You at the counter with omega-3 supplements and CoQ10 bottle. And bonus tip, ask your doctor if omega-3s or CoQ10 might be right for you. These can give your heart a little extra support. You smile. Small changes lead to big results. Start today. Your arteries will thank you later. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick health tips.